Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you what to do if you get an error saying this app package is not supported for installation by App Installer when you try to run .msix files on Windows. So basically this error is telling us that the App Installer application is not able to run the MSIX file properly. So as you can see from my example, I'm trying to run the Microsoft Teams installer that is in the format of the MSIX file. The MSIX file is the file format that is used by most universal Windows platform applications. Now in order to fix this problem, we're first just going to close this window here, and then we're going to come to search, and we're going to search for store. Then we're going to open up the Microsoft Store, and then in the Microsoft Store, we're then going to come over to Library. And then if it doesn't already tell you that App Installer has an update, you want to come down the list and you want to find App Installer. So as you can see, I have App Installer down here, and we're going to click on it. Now if you don't see App Installer in the list, you need to search for it and install it. So it will be the app that is published by Microsoft Corporation. However, you should already have App Installer installed, as it should come with all versions of Windows 11. So now all we're going to do is we're just going to click on the update button to update the App Installer. Right, now App Installer has updated. If we now just try and run the MSIX file again, as you can see, we're no longer getting an error, and Teams is now installing for me, so I'll just make sure it does install. And there we go, the installer has now finished, and Teams is now installed for me. So as you can see, updating the app installer has fixed the issues with running the MSIX file. So guys, hopefully that worked for you. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.